This is the Matsato Kitchen Knife. It's a really nice box. This is a full tang knife. Very strong. Blade's very durable. As you can tell, very well balanced too. The blade is stainless steel. It's very sharp. It's like an 8-12 degree angle on that blade there. I love the beautiful oak handle. The wood's very smooth. Fits really well in my hand. I love this finger hole too. Really gives you great control of the blade when you're using it. I like the extra little grip here on the top for your thumb. The overall length of this kitchen knife is 11 inches. This kitchen knife can chop vegetables, meats, and fine herbs. It's also durable enough to take camping. It's overall a great knife. I use it every day.
Now, right.